Happy 4th of July from the Adventure Hunter from Lake Eaton on Long Lake, New York. Adirondacks, beautiful weather. It's like 75 and sunny and calm winds, blue skies, cold beer in the kayak. The next best thing to a trail. I love hiking, I love kayaking. This is the next best thing. You get out here, it's just so peaceful. Sometimes, yes, there's boats and other kayakers or sailboats and stuff, but beautiful. Camping this year, it's been pretty goddamn stressful and tiring. With 3 boys on my own, holy, but peace and quiet. Yeah, you can't ask for much more than that in this. And more wind. Last night it hit about 12:30. Just horrible. Oh, we stayed in the tent. It almost blew over. 2 kids slept through it, didn't even know what happened. My middle son, Damien, he woke up for it. And he was the first one to wake up this morning. It's 6:45.
It's in water. Hey, baby.
What's going on, everyone? Back to the Adirondacks for camping and kayaking and hopefully some hiking. But it's just me and my 3 boys, and their grandmother came up. It's pretty hectic. So trying to get away and having 3 for someone else to look after is really hard too. So anyway, I do have some free time. They are over there at that beach playing, and I'm out here kayaking, enjoying the sun finally. The wind, that the first couple days, insane weather, just insane. So, I'm gonna soak this in. And that's what everyone needs to do in life. Once you do get something nice, soak it in. going on, guys? Back on a trail, sort of. I just walked off from it because I saw something really cool just to the left, and this is something that in my area we don't have this type of scenery. It's pretty darn cool. I'm at Lake Eaton in the Adirondacks right now, and here is something really cool. I had to walk off the trail to come see. The size of these rocks and that tree just growing just on top of it, and it's a huge tree. Seeing boulders like this is really cool, and it looks like it could be a really cool hangout pad. If you had a one-night hike, hammock, you could have a safe fire, and it would be really cool right here. Definitely awesome. So always trying to find new trails, and here's a cool one, and I just started. I'm only a half a mile in. This is awesome. So back on the trail in the Adirondacks, and one thing I don't miss, the bugs out here. Mosquitoes, black flies, everywhere, and just the mud on the trails. I miss the old NCT back in CNY when it comes to this, but there's a lot of other cool scenery out here. So I'm gonna make the best of it. We're gonna journey this trail for a few miles and head back to camp. Thinking about it, place might not be so bad in the fall. Today's pretty damn hot. It's almost 90 degrees. I can't say that for the rest of the vacation, but yeah, last night out here, and like I said, I'm thinking come up here in the fall. Well, any of the trails in the Adirondacks, it's just the flies and the mosquitoes, they get to you. And hey, I think in the fall it'd be beautiful. The forest is awesome though. It is very heavily wooded, and definitely cool sights. There's mountains, there's rocks, there's giant boulders everywhere, and lots of great scenery here. I mean, really, you can't beat the sceneries up here. If I could climb a mountain one of these days, I don't have enough time this vacation. It's just me and my 3 kids. I just don't have the time to go mountain climbing. So yeah, the trails to the top to a fire tower is just not going to happen on this vacation. I was hoping last year as well. I made it almost to the top of that one, but the goddamn storm came in, so it is what it is, and maybe I'll come back in the fall though. So we'll see. Back to the mud.
raisin. Hi, just caught a big bass. Hi, I just caught that fish. Are you gonna see it? See it? And I'm gonna kiss it tonight. Caught it over by some weeds.